Welcome to Accelerated Engineering. My name is John, and this is the video encyclopedia for the combine function, COMBIN. What the combine function does, well, it's a counting function. It helps to count the number of combinations of a number of things, n, from which a certain number is selected, r. For example, in this case, I have said that I have two items from which I am picking two. Combine says that there is only one way that I can collect these items together in combination. If we have two items A and B, or if we're doing this in thinking about cards, an ace and a king, it doesn't matter if I draw an ace and a king or a king and then an ace. Either way, I have the same cards. Another way of thinking of this is if I have 52 cards and I get dealt 5, there's, what is that? 2,598,960 crib hands that I could play from. The order of the cards doesn't matter. I can rearrange them in my hand. Nobody cares. But this is the number of combinations of cards I could have. Let's look at a slightly larger case. 3 pick 2, or 3 combine 2. Let's say that I've got an ace, a queen, and a king. Well, how many combinations of these? I have 3 cards, and I can draw 2 of them. I could draw an ace and a king. I could draw an ace and a queen. I could draw a king and then a queen. And that's it. If I draw a king and then an ace, I've already accounted for that by ace and king, because I can rearrange the cards. Similarly, if I draw a queen and then an ace, I can rearrange the cards in my hand and I've got it sorted. The mathematical function for this, or for quickly calculating this, is to use the n factorial divided by n minus r factorial, and then divide it again by r factorial. And if we look back at the permute function, we can see that it's the same core, but additionally divided by the number of things drawn. It's a reduce of the number of permutations. This accounts for the number of permutations of the things that I've drawn. And that's it. This is useful. Again, I think that the limit for the number of things that this can output is based on the maximum number that Excel can express, which is 1 times 10 to the 308, or 1.7 something times 10 to the 108. And that looks like it's pretty close. We'll just add a few more in here and see. Yeah, it kind of breaks it around that point. So that's what I expect the limit of the output of this function is, which means that Excel is obviously doing something. It's got to be doing something clever here for factorials, because that calculates really quickly. Some related functions to this are, of course, the permute function, the permutation A function, and the combine A function, which is the number of combinations, but it allows for repeats. For example, I could draw an ace and then draw an ace again. And there are more combinations of that, but that's a separate function. This concludes the video for the combine function. Please take a moment to like and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. If you enjoy content like this, and leave a comment if you found something that you liked or found something you wanted to have explained more. Thanks for watching.